guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Boxycharm May edition box. So if you guys want to see what I got in here and everything that comes with unboxings, then definitely keep on watching. First off, hello, tiny little box. Like, this is the first time I've had Boxycharm now for 2 years. This is the first time I've seen it look like super duper tiny like this. So, what I get in here, honest to God, I usually am a cheater and I like to look up what I'm getting like before they announce what's in the products. I do follow them on Instagram. This time I completely forgot that I even had Boxycharm until I got an email that said, hey, your order's on transit. So today is Thursday. Okay, Thursday the 9th. I know you guys can see that right there. Thursday the 9th. Yesterday, I got an email on May 8th, so I'll show that right there. May 8th, right? That congratulations, your box is on the way. It says what happens next, and it tells you today you'll get the box, you'll get your tracking shipment in 5 business days, and then within 15 business days you'll receive your very own box. But if you guys look right here, they highlighted the week in which I should expect to get my box. I was like, what? Are you serious? I'm not gonna get it till like May 19th? Like, how insane is that? That is so far away. But then this morning, I got an email that says, hello, Charmer. We have very exciting news. Your Boxycharm order is on the way. And I was like, okay, cool. So I clicked on the tracking address. It's like just to see like when it's roughly gonna come. And lo and behold, it's like delivered. I was like, oh, okay, so it's delivered. So the email that I got was not like up to date. I don't know. And then after that I got another email from Boxycharm saying wants me to customize my Boxy Luxe. They wanted me to choose between the Tarte like natural eyeshadow palette, the Tarte natural eyeshadow palette, or the Tarte glow and blush set or glow set. It was like either like a bronzer and blush together in one palette, like a pro palette, or then it was just like a bronzer in the other one, or the natural eyeshadow palette. And I picked the blush bronzer duo just because I have so many of the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea palettes. Like, I literally have so many that I actually think I gave one away to a subscriber. I believe it was in one of her boxes. Yeah, it should be in there. It should have been in there. But I was like, you know what? I have all this, and the natural one looks just like the Rainforest of Sea Volume 3 and Volume 2, and they all look the same. I did not want that, so we'll try out something new. The blush contour bronzer set, because I don't really have that many of those lying around in here. I kind of use pretty much the same bronzer every single day. So let's go ahead and dive on into this box. I just want to do a little disclaimer. If you see like any sparkle or shine on my face, it is glitter, because I don't know what is going on today. I don't know if I have just the energy or the motivation. I don't know what, but I got it this morning at 8 a.m. and I filmed a ColourPop video. I know. I filmed a foundation video, and now I'm filming a Boxycharm video. So I have 3 videos in one day, and sorry, that was my HelloFresh being delivered to my door. So I had to go get that because I'm excited. But I am filming 3 videos in one day, and that's exciting. And I'm probably gonna have the Boxycharm video come up tonight. So I'm gonna get done filming this, edit it, put it up tonight, Thursday, May 9th, and then I'm going to probably put up my ColourPop video followed by my foundation video. And because I forgot to say this in my last 2 videos, I want to give an early shout out to all the mothers out there. Happy Mother's Day to you guys. I wish I could personally say Happy Mother's Day to every single one of you, but since I honestly don't know how to, I'm going to say it right here. Happy Mother's Day to all you beautiful moms. I think you guys are amazing, and you guys truly make this world go round. I would not be here without you guys. So this is the tiny little box right here. It's supposed to have 5 items inside of here. Hopefully it does. Hopefully it's good. And I'm kind of like blurry. Hello. Hopefully it has 5 full-size products in here. We'll see what we're gonna get. Like I said, my HelloFresh just got delivered. I started getting HelloFresh back in like February, March time of frame. I don't know, Raw Beauty Christie advertised it, and when she did, I was like, all right, let me give this a shot. Obsessed. Obsessed. It's 60 bucks a week. Me and my fiance, whenever we got to eat in just one meal alone, it cost us $60 just for one meal. This gets delivered and it varies honestly between 45 to 60 bucks depending on what you're getting. You get 3 meals a week for 2 people. It's amazing. So easy to follow. I definitely recommend HelloFresh. So if they're ever watching, I got you. I got you. Ooh, the first thing I see is Glamglow. I love Glamglow. They're expensive, but I do love Glamglow. So let's see. The first object is like this huge, massive Glamglow Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. This is blended with oat amino acids. It conditions, deep cleanses, and it's a face makeup removal. So it's the ultimate daily conditioning cleanser to gently but efficiently cleanse skin and remove face makeup and daily impurities. Oat amino acids conditions is oat amino acids. Oh my god. Oat amino. I swear. I'm educated, I promise. Oat amino acids condition the skin while gentle bubbles deeply cleanse and dissolve makeup. Blend with apple extracts, vitamin E, and tea oxy green tea leaf. This gentle foaming cleanser, inspired by the rainbow aurora bubbles, is mild, soap-free, and SLS and SLES free. Apply to wet face and gently massage evenly in circular motions. Rinse well, pat dry, use daily as desired. Avoid eye area. They all say always avoid eye area, and I don't get why. This currently retails for $28. Oh, well, I thought that was actually more expensive because my pore mask was a lot more expensive, and somehow this is a lot cheaper. Like my pore mask was a $60 face mask. This is only $28. Okay, cool. Well, that's actually really exciting. Let's take a look inside of here. I'm definitely so excited to try this out. All right, so this is how it looks. I wonder if I can smell it. Oh, it has like a It smells pretty good. That's actually really exciting because I just ran out of facial cleansers, so I'm truly excited to try that out. That is awesome. Worth this box alone because I love Glamglow products. They're amazing. I still have this little itty bitty guy that I got in my Sephora box. Little teeny good in bed facial cream. All right, so for the next item that we've got in this box, I see we have a lightweight fallout free eye luster cream eyeshadow. So, oh, this is from Ciante London. This is a new Ciante onion. Your new Ciante London Eye Luster will help you create a long-lasting, shimmering eyeshadow look. The metallic, glittering liquid shadow can be swiped on for full coverage lust, blended out for sheer sparkle, or applied over any eyeshadow as a topper. Well, this is the color Cupid. Let's see how this looks. And that currently retails for $22. Oh my god. Okay, so the way that it looks on camera, it looks purple. But y'all, this is rose gold. Rose gold in the tube. I need to swatch this like right now. Oh, let's look. Let's look at this together. Horrible swatch, if I might add. Holy woo. Look at that, guys. Oh, wow, that is stunning. Oh my god, that is truly gorgeous. It is literally a rose gold with a gold sheen to it. That's exactly how this looks. Rose gold, the gold sheen. Like, you look at this way and it's like pinky goldish, but then you turn it gold, turn it pink, turn it gold. Oh my god, that is so pretty. I kind of want to put it on my eyes, but I have my mascara done and I'm kind of going for just a more natural look. I mean, granted, it would actually blend in with my outfit today, but ooh, that's exciting. And let's see, is it dry? Rub it in a little bit like I said too. Oof. So stunning. Oh wow. Okay, that's exciting. The next thing that I'm seeing is the Dose of Color Stone Liquid Matte Lipstick. So this is a new Dose of Color Liquid Matte Lipstick, has a velvety high fashion matte finish which envelops lips in a rich, long wear color. It applies as a creamy liquid, but after a few minutes it dries to an ultra comfortable matte finish and retails for $18. I can already tell you right now that I'm gonna like the formula because I literally, I'm already actually wearing this right now. I'm wearing the Warm and Fuzzy Dawson Colored Liquid Matte Lip. Unfortunately, I do not like matte lips. It definitely goes on very creamy. I will definitely give it that. But when it does dry down, it's very comfortable. Like, it's extremely comfortable. I don't know. I just feel like I'm not the biggest fan of matte lips. So I did end up putting the Milani Moonlight Topper right on top of it to get this kind of gorgeous look that I have going now. I'm obsessed. I've been wearing this a lot lately. It's a great two combinations together. So I can only just imagine what this one's gonna look like. I do actually have a lot of Dawson Colors liquid lip glosses in my little bin right here, plus a little bit more mattes. So let's just add to the family of it. Let's see how this one looks. Look at that. Pinky mauve. I love mauve. I love mauvey colors. Oh, mauvey nude. I'm so excited for that. So freaking excited for that. I wonder if like Boxycharm has been like watching my videos secretly, because I talked a lot of shit in my videos about how they used to give me like doo-doo brown liquid lip colors I never would freaking use. And lately, they've been impressing me with what I've been getting. I don't know if like they're stepping up their game or they're hearing a lot of people bitch about it. I don't know, but keep it up, keep it up. So then I got a Bodyography in the color Emerald Eye Pencil. This retails for $14. It's a vegan and cruelty-free Bodyography eye pencil. Wow, it says, does it not say eye, oh, huh? What? Okay, so right here it says eye pencil, but then on this little thingy it says lip pencil. This vegan cruelty-free Bodyography lip pencil is an antioxidant rich infused with coconut oil and vitamin E. The smooth yet long wear formula glides on effortlessly, delivering durable pigment that can frame, fill in, and define the lips. Okay, I'm gonna want you guys to see that right there, right? Okay, so you see how it even says eye pencil on there, but clearly it talks about it being a lip pencil for $14. Cool. This is an eye pencil and it's in the color Emerald, so it's like this like bluish like green color. I mean, I can use it as a lip color. I don't know what I'd ever use it with, but clearly it's an eye pencil labeled as a lip pencil in this box. That's actually really hilarious. Who did the editing on that one? Fail. All right, and the last thing we have is Alamar Color Trio Blush Trio. Get your cheeks on with the new Alamar Colorette Blush Trio. Formulated to glide effortlessly over your cheeks, this buttery smooth, highly pigmented, and completely vegan formula, delivers a sun-kissed flush without the damage to the eyes. Now, I wonder which one I got. I got the Fair to Light. Okay. If I got the was it light to medium, I was actually gonna give that away to one of my subscribers because I know that Fair to Light would actually work best for my skin tone, not necessarily the medium skin tone, because that just is more for darker skin tones than I am, and I would love it to give that away to a subscriber. And this actually retails for $22, not bad. Ta-da, aw, that's actually really cute. So there's Castaway, Paraiso, and Scorcher. Okay, so I'm just gonna swatch these colors here for ya. They're very smooth. Very hard to tell, but these are the three colors right here, okay? Not bad, but there's one thing I wanna point out with this. The two colors right here, honest to God, will never wear it. They're more orange tone blushes than they are pinky peach tone blushes. These are more definitely in the orange tone. This right here for sure, because this is definitely a peachy vibe. These two, like legit, they're orange. Like I feel like this would maybe great to be like a shadow of some sort. Like let me put Castaway in my hand. Okay, so this is Castaway. Do you not see the orange? Orange, right? And then this is Scorcher. Put it right next to it. Scorcher. Definitely some orange vibes. I mean, I think it's great, but never would I wear it as blush. No. But I probably actually use it as an eyeshadow. So thanks for some orange eyeshadow because I truly don't have any. So that's awesome. Yeah, that is it. This box was called Make a Waves Edition. That is it for this box. I am extremely happy that I got my hands on this because wow, this is actually really cool. I'm really, really happy with everything I got. The only thing that's like kind of meh is this little guy right here and the eye lip pencil, whatever that is. But I'm so happy that I got the Glamglow Bubbles face mask. Definitely super happy about the Salante London. Like, I know it looks purple right here, but I'm telling you, it is a rose gold with the with a gold sheen. And I'm definitely extremely excited to be getting the stone liquid lip from Dawson Colors. So I'm really excited to try these out. And I already have my face done. Otherwise I would do like a cool like little Instagram video. I still might do it. I might do it tomorrow morning and put it up to advertise this video. But that is it for today's video, guys. Please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I do post 2 videos a week. Also, I do have a giveaway currently going on my channel right now. So next Friday, May 17th, I'm actually doing a giveaway. I'm giving away a $100 gift card to either Sephora or Ulta of the winner's choice as a thank you for me hitting 1,000 subscribers. All you have to do is go check out this video right here. It has all the details in it, but I'll also link the video down here below. But just make sure you guys check that out so you guys be entered into that giveaway. But yeah, guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for all your love and support, and I'll see you guys in the very next video. Bye! Oat amino acids condition the skin while oat amino acids. Oh my god. Cosmetics Color It Brush Trio. Feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. Yes. Alright. Alright. Chair. Work with me. Tarte Glow and Brush. Or the Tarte Glow and Brush. Sorry. Can't you guys tell I'm just trying to film? And I was like, video is done. Let's go get this bad boy up. All right, full of energy. Had too much coffee. All right, peace out.